Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add image in Joomla. If you have Joomla installed on your website, you need to log into your administrator panel, and after that you need to go to Content tab, and here we have something like media. We need to open this tab. After that, images folder should be successfully loaded here. So if you want to add a new image, you need to go to upload button. We need to click here. And then we need to select image which we want to upload. So for example, I will select this one image and I click open button to upload it. After a moment it should be successfully uploaded to our website. So now you can move your cursor on this image and you can click on this one icon with 3 dots. You will be able to preview this image, download this image, rename this image, edit this image, get link to this image and delete this image. The next action depends on your preferences. For example, I will preview this image, and how you see it looks really great, yeah? So in this way you can easily add images to Joomla in your website. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.